you can select any card that you want to. So let's say you select this card right here, and you can go ahead and take a look at that. Now we'll take this card, lose it somewhere in the middle. You can choose, but since you're not here, I'll have to do it for you. So we'll take that card, lose it about there-ish, and lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. Now at this point, I even hand the deck over to the spectator to let them give it a shuffle, and they can do it overhand. They can do a riffle shuffle. They can do just about any type of shuffle that they want to, and I always ask them to end with a cut. That way there's no way I can know where their card is. Now, once they give the cards back to me, I'm going to take it and look through it and see if I can find 4 cards I think could be your cards. So I'll go through. First one's usually the easiest, second one being secondly so. We'll go with maybe, let's go with this one here. Usually the third one is the hardest to find, but let's see. Yeah, I thought so. Third one's usually hardest. We're going to go with this one, though. And then, of course, last, we need one more card. That way, hopefully, I can get this right and give myself a little bit of better odds, honestly. So these are going to be the 4 cards. Set these off to the side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you a series of questions. And depending on how you answer the questions will change how the trick goes, okay? So, first question, start off pretty simple. Is this your card? No? Okay. So we'll take the card, set it down. Next card goes to the top, right? Okay. Question number 2, is this your card? No? Okay. Now, clearly this is a joke that's not actually getting harder. Is this your card? No. Is your card a 5, though? No. How about a diamond? Is your card a diamond? No. How about 50-50? Is it a red card? No. Okay. You suck. That's red. Is it? That's red. That's a 6 of diamonds. That's also red. And you were serious, it wasn't any of these. Like, you weren't just like pulling my leg or anything. Like, it actually wasn't this one. Okay, you said it actually wasn't this one. Wait, what was your card? Wait, it was that one? If you're interested in learning that trick, then make sure to subscribe and ring the bell, because next Sunday I'll be teaching it to you. If it's already past Sunday, you can actually check it out right there, and if not, then you can check out my entire magic trick playlist right there. And if you need some cards designed for sleight of hand, then I'd check out the description below for all cards 10% off. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.